Okay, friends. So, welcome back to yet another fresh vlog for the day. So, what you see in my hand is a very simple indicator buzzer from Minda. You know Minda, and yeah. So, this is why is this useful? So many a times, what happens, at least to me, is that I turn on the indicator and I forget to turn it off, right? So, which can lead to some serious accidents on the road, especially if the person coming right behind you thinks that you're going to take a right and you don't take, and you're going to take a left, you don't take, vice versa. And it can create a lot of confusion and commotion on the road. And personally, I know a friend of mine, Pradeep, who has had some bad experiences because of that in the past, and he really highly recommended me to go ahead and install a buzzer. So yeah, so let's go ahead and figure out how to install this buzzer and how to make it work. So typically, so buzzer need to go into your flasher relay, right? So what would be there on the bike? So in case of Interceptor, where is the flasher relay? Right, you see this L-shaped clamp. You would have plugs inside that this way. So yeah, this is it, and I'm going to try and plug it in and see if this is the point and if it works fine. So if you get the sound, that means we are at the right point. There you go. So we are at the right place. So we're going to install this here. So I've just connected it here, and I'm just going to go ahead and close this out this way. Very simple. That's about it. Let me check it out once more, if it is secure, or I will have to probably secure it into this into this little holes what have been provided to make it a more secure connection. All right, so hopefully we're good. All right, we've installed it, but I feel it's too loud. I feel it's too loud, and I don't like it that loud. So I'm going to put a tape on this and make it a bit more silent. So I'm going to stick this here somewhere behind the mud guard, and I'll put a little tape on the front facing so that I don't really need to hear it so loud, right? So yes, we have connected the buzzer, and I have secured the buzzer with a tape, and I have also put a insulation tape on top of the buzzer opening so that I don't get a loud noise, but instead this much of noise, so that I know that my indicator is running and I need to turn it off. So yeah, I would say it's a very cheap or hardly costs anything, but definitely a safety feature everyone should consider. So that's pretty much, my friend, about the buzzer. And thank you so much for tuning in. And I'll leave the link of the product in the description so that you can order it in case you like to go for it. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself and have a wonderful rest of the day.